Hi guys, back again with a new bumper and interesting video. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 biggest asteroid impacts in our planet's history. So without further delay, get ready for a trip through history as we explore the top 15 biggest asteroid impacts in our planet's history. So let's start. Asteroid impacts have shaped the Earth and played a critical role in its evolution. From mass extinction to massive crater, these events have had a profound impact on life on our planet. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 15 biggest asteroid impact in history. Number 1. The Chesapeake Bay Impact Crater in USA, and it is estimated at 56 km in diameter. Number 2. The Sudbury Basin in Canada, and it is estimated at 250 km in diameter. Number 3. The Shiva Crater, and it is in India. It is estimated at 50 km in diameter. Number 4. The Popigai Crater in Russia, estimated at 100 km in diameter. Number 5. The Manukagon Reservoir in Canada, and it is estimated at 100 km in diameter. Number 6. The Baltic Impact Crater in Ukraine, and it is estimated at 24 km in diameter. Number 7. The Riss Crater in Germany, and it is estimated at 24 km in diameter. Number 8. The Kara Crater in Russia, and it is estimated at 40 km in diameter. Number 9. The Siljan Ring in Sweden. It is estimated at 37 km in diameter. Number 10. The Brand Crater in Canada, and it is estimated at 60 km in diameter. Number 11. The Yarrababa Impact Crater in Australia, and it is estimated at 22 km in diameter. Number 12. The Vredefort Dome in South Africa, and it is estimated at 300 km in diameter. Number 13. The Chicxulub Crater in Mexico, and it is estimated at 180 km in diameter. Number 14. The Mistaston Crater in Canada, and it is estimated at 60 km in diameter. So, these are just a few of the biggest impacts in history, but there are countless others that have shaped our planet and its history. So next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the incredible forces of the universe and the role that asteroids have played in shaping our planet. So thanks for watching and see you next time.